Hey, this is me and Justin Gladio. We're in the light and sound booth right now. We are trying to hack into the system with his iPad via Bluetooth because we have a wireless Linux booter on the computer over there. Old-fashioned computer, easy to hack, not tough at all to hack. So we're going to try to boot into the surround sound system and play some music in the auditorium down here. So right now I'm in control of the little... Did you get the panel board? Okay. Alright, bat up the files, alright? Got it, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Shit. Alright, I'm gonna go down here. I'm sneaking. Alright, yeah. Thanks. Can you turn it back down? Alright. Play it. Wait, play the music first. Alright, let's see if this works. It was working. Louder. Oh my gosh. Listen. Doop, doop.